What's going on, guys? So I'm gonna make like a short video today. I'm gonna start working on Project Colorado. If you guys saw my previous video, which about 2 of you did, not 4 of you, you guys saw that my dad, before he passed away from COVID, he left me his Colorado, his Chevy Colorado, 2005 Chevy Colorado. As you guys can see, the interior is pretty much gone, but that's not what we're going to be working on today. Today we're going to be working on the windows. I'm not sure if they need grease or what, but they're having a really hard time rolling down and up. So I'm going to be taking the door panel apart on both of them. I mean, I'm going to take it off on this one right now. And if I see that it needs grease, I'll probably just go buy some grease and add grease to both of these. The rear windows roll down fine. These ones roll down fine. The back, the interior back here isn't too bad, but yeah, as you guys can see right here, the driver's side seat is more than done. But that's what I'm gonna start with. I'm also gonna check underneath it. This is a 3.5 liter inline 5. My dad did his best to honestly take care of it. He put a brand new front grille and lights, so you guys can see there. But I'm gonna show you guys. Yep, there you go. Nice and messy, but you guys can see. So today I actually filled it up with AC. It had no AC. I mean, it had no gas for the AC, so I put some 134 refrigerant in there. When I get a chance, I'm gonna try to pressure wash the engine bay. The one thing that this truck does have is that, sorry guys, it does run pretty warm. When I turn on the AC, it goes a little bit above the mid-level, so I'm not sure if it's just gunk built up in the radiator. So I'm gonna do a radiator flush too, probably change the thermostat. I think the water pump is fine, but I'm not sure how that's gonna affect it once I do the radiator flush. But yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna happen today, guys. We're gonna try to fix this window, or see at least what's going on, and then also check underneath the engine bay. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a nice short walk around. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the camper show or not, but this is all stuff I gotta get rid of that my dad left. I'm going through it slowly, but yeah, I still have a lot to go through to see what I have to get rid of, what I'm gonna keep, what's good. I am finding quite a bit of pieces for the truck. I do have to replace these little buttons right here. As you guys can see, they're fading away. I have to replace the speakers because those are completely gone. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys as soon as I start. So upon further inspection, guys, looks like I'm gonna need window regulator motors, because let me see if I can show you guys. You see how that happens when I try to come back up? It's just doesn't do anything. But once I put a little pressure, let me see if that works. No, hold on, let's just work right now. Let's see if that works. Yep, so for sure I want to need window regulator motors. Sucks. So Probably gonna need the 2 front ones. The back ones are fine. I'm also gonna need speakers. This one just stopped working completely. I don't think it was ever working. So I'm gonna need speakers and probably window regulator motors for the front. And then, oh, I just remembered another thing I gotta fix is the heater or the AC only works when I turn it all the way up to 4. So I gotta see what's going on with that plug too. So I'm gonna check that right now. I'm gonna probably put this back together and just try to close it. Luckily, like I said, I filled it up with AC, so I should be good with the AC. But I still need to get those window regulator motors, and I still need to check that plug for the AC because I don't want it on full blast all the time. But yeah, guys, so that's what it's looking like right now. Let me check out that plug, and I'm gonna check out that plug right now, and let me get back to you guys once I check it out. All right, guys, so I established pretty much I need a new plug for the I'm guessing like the heater core system, or because the wires are melted or burnt. Apparently it's a very common problem for those trucks, so it's either trying to solder it to get it to work again, or just buy a whole new piece, which apparently they range from like 13 to 15 bucks. So I'll probably just end up doing that. Then after that, I think that's one of the most important things. So I'm gonna make a list of what I need from important to least important. Right now, the least important being the interior and the speakers, and the more important is fixing that the AC problem, or not the AC problem, but the fact that it only works on 4. Fixing that. Pretty much doing a tune-up on the truck, so I feel like it's wasting too much gas. I feel like it's running really rich. Okay. And then after that, the window regulators, because I definitely need those. I mean, summer's coming here in California, so I'm not gonna really need them anytime soon. But first issue I'm gonna fix is gonna be the AC thing, and then probably the window regulators, and then probably do a full tune-up on the truck. I'm also gonna compression test it and all that. But yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully it wasn't too boring, but remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and thanks again for watching.